Just to clarify, in case you aren't familiar with the process, at the GOSC, the procedure is that a screener will look at the case first, as I've said, to say that, to determine whether it falls within the scope of the Osteopaths Act. Then it will go to the investigating committee, who will determine whether there is a likelihood or a possibility of a conviction on the basis of the complaint, based on the evidence that's submitted to them by both parties. And then if there is a likelihood of a conviction, then it will go to the Professional Conduct Committee. And as I've said on these shows in the past, you can compare the Professional Conduct Committee to a conventional court, which is effectively what it is. It's very, very similar to a magistrate's court. The people who make it up, the chairman, who could be a layperson or an osteopath, a professional member of the osteopath, and a layperson who's not an osteopath, they need not have any legal experience, but they might have legal experience, but they will be advised by the General Osteopathic Council's legal counsel, who will be a barrister. So it is very, very like a normal court of law, and you can regard it in all intents and purposes for that. And the only difference at the Chiropractic Council is that there's no screener involved, and I'm not quite sure how that affects whether cases go to the investigating committee or not.